So you just made your new song and want the whole world to hear it, but you don't have the budget for a fancy music video. Well, we have a solution for you, and it looks kind of like this.
You and I, we were meant to be. I feel it in my soul.
Today on Usher Digital, we're going to teach you how to make your own music lyric video in 10 minutes. Step 1. Find a free or paid stock video website. For this video, we're going to be using Avanto Elements, a subscription-based service for designers that provides unlimited stock videos and more. However, you can also find free quality stock videos by using pexels.com. Step 2. On your website of choice, go to the search bar and type in Liquid. Once your website populates, you'll be greeted with hundreds of video clips like this. Step 3. Download multiple clips that fit your style. Make sure you download enough clips that match the length of your song, but also keep in mind that you can loop some clips if needed. Step 4. Add the stock clips to your preferred video editing software. In this video, we are using Adobe Premiere. However, you can also use free video editing software such as DaVinci Resolve or Windows Movie Maker. Step 5. Add your lyrics to the video. This will probably be the most tedious part of the process, but just consider it a final stretch. And just like that, you're done. Final result?
You and I, we were meant to be. I feel it in my soul. Feel it in my soul. Never separated, you and me. Broken made whole. Broken made whole. The world that tries to steal our hope tries to make us numb, but our love has overcome. And you, my dear, you are my prize. When I look into your eyes, love overflow, I'm never letting go.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to get more content just like this.
Okay, bye.